So send your scores and negative marks with negative marks. And keep ready to ask your doubts also if you have any doubts in exam doubts. Both. So send your score like that. How many chemistry score total and negative marks? Negative marks should be there 100%. And I have a sheet also. Everyone, your result sheet, I have that one. But send that one. I need to know that one. You people, you know exactly how many mistakes you done, how many marks you got. You have to know your score first. That's more important than me. So if you are not sending, you are not giving a reply means you are not looking your score seriously. And your native marks also you are not taking seriously. That's why I'm going to observe that. Send that everyone. Who is not sending, I can find out easily. Array with negative marks also. How many done negative also you need that one? How many skip questions also you have to know everyone. Negative marks more important for me. How many done negative? That's number is more important. Every week we are seeing the same result, total score and chemistry result. But I need negative marks. Yes, Surya, like that we have to get 40 correct, 2 wrong, something skipped that like that. Just send fast, remaining people not responding. But I will give question paper, you have tried 200 times, I will give that punishment. Keep respond fast. You should be know your score. Monday write on paper. Okay. Your class notes, anyone notes is the last paper you can write last week how much you got score, this week how many everything. You should not search now whenever I'm asking. So whenever completed at the time only you have to analysis, then try to start to write error notebook. Naga Roshni. How many marks total you got it, madam? See that? Can you see that one? Naga Roshni. Venkat. Preeti. What's your chemistry score? Good, good. First that detail your score. Detailed manner, how many chemistry negative, that's everything you make and mention. Good, good. I need with negative marks also. How many negative, how many attempted, like that, everything. And total also you can mention. Okay. I need chemistry negative. That's first priority, chemistry. Then followed by you can see overall performance. Okay, fine. Still, some people not respond. I think so. You can find out those people. You will get very soon. Okay, regarding SMS. Are everything you should be participate, na? What is the problem? Approximately here, 50. Some people they left. I don't know why. You can find out because they're related to this class or not. I don't know. At least 54 people is there here. Sanjita, why you done only 22? First, let me know. We'll discuss with people. Think about you people. You are doing correct or not? You can check it here. I given, I think so, 20 questions approximately electrochemistry. The remaining 25 is approximately solutions. Is it correct? Or maybe these are 19 solutions I given, 21 or 19 something. The solutions concept is yours. Already we done 3 to 4 exams you wrote, I think so. 3 exams you wrote. Even that too, I repeated 10 questions approximately, which is you done previous questions, previous exams. Out of 3 exams you wrote, 10 questions again I repeated. Here you can get chance at least 90 plus. This 20 electrochemistry, at least to make an attempt out of 20, 10 questions. That's the average student I'm telling about, below average and the average students. So 10 means 40 will get, at least assume that one. So 130 plus score is you can get very easily this week exam, which is this what yesterday the done exam. So what is the problem if people are getting why 50s only still? The solution chart was done very well. Just analyze that one. Very simple way we are discussing. Out of 25 solutions, I already wrote 3 exams and same questions we repeated 10 again. So here 40 marks very easily can get. The extra, that's same model, same question solutions we are writing, remaining will get easily. Then here electrochemistry, out of 20, you make an attempt 10 questions, 10 into 4, at least you will get 40. So this is the minimum score you should be get everyone this exam. So what's the problem? So maybe I'm giving reasons why didn't get one thing. First thing, class notes theory. You're not practicing up to the mark. And daily 5 to 10 sums you are not doing, sir. Daily work. Array, you are doing mostly school work only, sir. That is not working our NEET exam. Who can handle this thing also? That's only you can keep that is. Daily this is. You are doing only school homework, sir. 2 days only chemistry, then 2 days means you can't do that is. Then entrance exam is difficult for you. These are India exams. And second one, error notebook you are not writing, sir. Error notes. If you done error notes, here this 90 score is yours. Because same model, same thing given. This also you are not writing. And I'm expecting for you people, except 1 or 2 students, remaining people just you are what they given, sir. Monday homework is suppose Monday. Physics homework, I don't know that is homework date. Then you are doing only that 5 questions, then over my homework. You are telling. If you people in this mode means difficult to get NEET exam, then you are preparing only board exam. Keep in mind. Okay. Only board exam are going to be studied, sir. If really you are preparing NEET exam, you need to get confident and you have to get competition with all the all India people means even this also minimum works are I am giving. You have to do by weekly at least, which we are conducting that chapter. So 80 to 100 sums you should be complete with previous questions. Then only we can do that something better. Please try to understand. But can keep in mind, coming exam is too much competition. So this is the chance to learn here. Most of the people, they don't have any communication. They are not joined too many schools. Okay, even still for them, online class is not going properly. But you join luckily seekers here. Everything is going properly for you. Try to utilize this one. And some people I've seen that one. They're logging. They are walking, sir, roaming in room. Array, on your videos first. I need to see some people on your videos. Just on your video, then you can sit in class. If you don't like to on, just leave the class. Because I don't know, most of the people just you are switch on means you are logging, then you are doing some other work. On your all you people videos, or wherever you are sitting doesn't matter for me. Okay, even I'm sitting outside only, out of the home. But I need to see your faces, huh? Something. Who are not on their videos means something they are not listening, they are logging, they went out. Open mostly. So in which category you can feel that one, but I am going to give internal score based on my work, sir. I will give first priority notes practicing or not. First priority followed by 5 to 10 sums. You may can include that homework also. That day is 5 to 10 sums only. Doesn't matter for me. Okay. Which whenever homework given that day, you can solve those questions only here for homework. Okay, fine. That's also you can accept. Understood? So please be ready that one. I'm going to give all you people internal score based on my chemistry of way working. That is class note series practicing followed by sums. This is only I'm going to be preferred. I'm going to be considered this is. So who done properly this work also, those will get full marks. Only they done learnative work means I won't give that is reason. Okay. So any doubts in examination? Exam yesterday, you may can ask. Take and send through screenshots. So this is our for maybe paper discussion you may can get. Even next week also you can get some other special also. That day also at least be ready to give that one. Clear? Maybe there you officially one class to paper discussion at the time also you can do. You can make ready everyone that questions. I know that one you didn't get score at the time. I will come with score paper. If you didn't ask doubts means then I will ask you. If you ask means I won't do anything. Okay, that's up to you. Any doubts is there? At least be ready for next doubt section, paper discussion class. We can do that one. Right, next slide. If you're not asking any doubts means we can move further, sir. Electrochemical cell. This is a siding, sir. Please note down. A device used to convert chemical energy produced in a redox reaction into electrical energy is called an electrochemical cell or simply chemical cell and also called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Please note down this is. If you have any doubts, you can express, sir. If you're not asking doubts means you're not studying. If you're asking doubts means then only you're studying. Completed? Note it down. What they given, sir? Can you read that statement? So for every reaction, if that reaction takes place spontaneously, means that can releases some energy, which is that releasing energy we are converting into electrical energy. Clear? Suppose our batteries is there. In batteries, chemical reaction takes place. After reaction occurs, that energy releases. That energy only we are using for as a battery. You may can check that is watch cells is there. Watch cells. Some after we are using, then we are removing. Na, that is not rechargeable cells is there. Non-rechargeable cells. In that inside some reaction takes place that will produce energy. That energy converted into electrical energy. So that type of cells we are studying here, electrochemical cell meaning. Because scientist is galvanic given, that's we are using after his name galvanic cell. Understood? Next slide, studying construction of galvanic cell. So any reaction takes place, suppose that releases some energy, that energy we are converting into electrical energy. Those cells we call electrochemical cells. Please note down the shading I given with properly. For example, H2 plus O2 reaction occurs, assume that one H2O we are getting. Suppose it releases some energy, this energy we are converting into electrical energy. Clear? So this is we call, this process we call, which is the cell which is doing this work is called electrochemical cell. Clear? So this is the construction of galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Please note down. Little bit fast. So this weekend syllabus up to Nernst equation. So if you done little bit fast, we can write. Note down as it is. Get it? Once completed, let me know that completed or not. Please check it. That is electron flow, current flow. You may can ask your physics teacher why that electron and current flow is opposite to each other. If you already know answer, very good. You may can send that chart also. I can see that one. You may can ask your physics teacher why electrons and current is opposite direction. Get it? Shall I continue? Okay, now we can see here. This is anode zinc rod. Zinc contain. This is the zinc rod. Contains ZnSO4 solution. You're getting my point. Zinc rod dissolved in zinc ZnSO4 solution. Or if you want, you can note down sentence also. Doesn't matter. Here copper rod and CuSO4 solution. I'm writing here. This is anode, sir. This is cathode. You can write this is anodic cell and cathodic cell. This is anode and this anode cell, anodic cell, sir. You can write anodic cell and cathodic cell. Please note down these terms. So left side is anode and right side is cathode. You have what's the anode sign, sir? Negative sign. Cathode is positive sign. So electrons can move from negative to towards positive. That's why electrons moving anode to cathode, sir. Please note down that sentence. Electrons flow or electrons moving from anode to cathode. Note down that point. Electrons moving from anode to cathode. Current flow is opposite direction. Current flow is from cathode to anode. We are considering opposite, sir. Wherever electrons moving, that opposite direction you have to consider current flow. Current flow you have to consider opposite of electrons. That is different cell. Which you are telling anode is positive, that is positive. When you are taking electron from outside current, then that is correct. That's also I'm going to give case here. Don't worry that one. That case also I'm going to provide here. Over. This is anode half cell, cathode half cell. Please note down that points. And this is U-turn, sir, which I given, that is when you may can see light orange color. U-turn tube, U-shaped tube. This is called salt bridge. Please note down that point. This is salt bridge, sir. Salt bridge. This is we call salt bridge. Please note down. Salt bridge. Salt bridge. Yes, correct. I am going to give everything properly. Don't worry. Just note down one by one. This is salt bridge. It contains the inside substance is agar agar is, I think so in biology people you know that one, that jelly type. We are going to be make jelly type. Otherwise, if you have any cells, nipple cells or all these things, you know, we have everyday cells. You make and break inside some paste is there, some paste type that you may can consider, that is okay. Like whatever jelly type, that is. This is jelly type agar agar plus you may can use KCl or KNO3 or K2SO4 or ammonium nitrate. Any one substance you can use, sir. KCl or KNO3 or K2SO4 or ammonium nitrate. We can use any substance in salt bridge. What is the use of salt bridge and everything we can study, that is. So this is a simple setup: anode, cathode. So electrons moving from anode to cathode. Anode is negative. When this is electrochemical cell, electrochemical cell definition already noted down. So I hope you know that one definition already given. Completed? Please let me know that one. Once done, please let me know that one. Okay, fine. So next, we are continuing, sir. We are going to write anode reaction, cathode reaction. This we call redox couple. What is the redox reaction? Anyone idea? Anyone? You have idea? Redox reaction. Redox reactions. Redox reaction means both oxidation and reduction occurs in one reaction simultaneously. All right, sir. Redox couple. Okay. Please write redox couple means it is defined having together the oxidized and reduced forms and reduced form. Oxidized, reduced forms, sir. Of a substance, reduced forms of a substance taking part in wait. In acceleration or reduction of cell reaction. Right, sir. Taking part in an oxidation or a reduction of reaction. Or a reduction of reaction. I'm showing above one Zn plus. I will write clearly, sir. Right. Right at anode, Zn gives rise Zn2 plus 2 electrons. This is solid. This is aqueous. At cathode, Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives rise Cu. Solid. If you are adding these two reactions, electrons will be cancelled, sir. That's we call net reaction. Zn solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous gives rise Zn2 plus aqueous plus Cu. So net, this is a net reaction. But electrons will be cancel each other, sir. Opposite will be cancel each other. In net reaction should not be there any electron. Under note you make a note down. Please note down first these reactions. Please write here. At anode oxidation takes place. Write your sentence, sir. Okay. At anode oxidation takes place. Loss of electrons. Please note on that point also if you don't know that one. Oxidation means loss of electrons. At cathode, reduction takes place. So gaining of electrons is reduction. Gaining of electrons is reduction. At anode oxidation takes place. At cathode reduction takes place. Completed? Right. That note. Net reaction should not contain electrons. Any doubt, please? Still now? So here, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent, sir? I need to know that point also. Which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent? Whenever I'm talking about oxidizing agent, reducing agent, you have to think about forward. This is a net reaction. In this reaction, which can act as oxidizing agent, which can act as reducing agent. Which can act as oxidizing agent, which can act as reducing agent. Anyone, please? Or if you know, you can give. If you don't know, let me know that one, sir. You don't know that one to discuss, na? Not copper. Here Cu2 plus. Okay. Copper means that is backward reaction again. So think about only reactants. Clear? So please write. Which is oxidation means that is reducing agent, sir. Wherever oxidation occurs, that's only reducing agent. So oxidation occurred, which is going to be takes place part in oxidation, zinc. So zinc only can act as reducing agent. Please write it, sir. Zinc only, which is undergo oxidation, that's only reducing agent. Why reducing agent? It will lose electron that gained by copper. Because of zinc, Cu2 plus getting reduction. If zinc is not there, this won't be reduction. So who is the cause of copper 2 plus reduction? Zinc. That's why called Zn we call reducing agent. We can write next sentence, sir. You can write here after that one, reducing agent. Zinc can act as reducing agent. Next, oxidizing agent. Cu2 plus can act as here oxidizing agent. Clear? So I hope you got it very clearly. Oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Any reaction I given which is oxidation takes place, sir. This is called oxidation. This is only called reducing agent also. Which reduction takes place. This is called reduction. This only called oxidizing agent. Keep in mind. Which is undergo oxidation, that is we call reducing agent. Opposite terms each other. Each other opposite terms. So please keep in mind. Opposite terms each other. Completed. Next one, in this construction, what is the remaining parts, sir? Salt bridge. Is there one salt bridge? Anode and cathode we connected through some voltmeter or wire, that is setup is there. Okay, that is instrumentation. So I think electrons flow you got it, current flow you got it. Where is the oxidation occurs, where is the reduction occur, we got it. One more point is there, which is orange color, that is salt bridge. So we can write now about salt bridge. Please write. Right. It is a U-tube containing or a U-shaped or U-tube, whatever you can write, sir. It is a capital U, sir. U. You can write inverted U-tube or U-tube, doesn't matter. U-tube containing a solutions of an inert electrolyte such as KCl, KNO3, K2SO4 or NH4NO3. Usually solidified by boiling with agar and gelatin and later cooling into a jelly like substance. You can read. If any point you are not understanding, means any sentence, ask that one. I am talking about just salt bridge, what they contain inside, how we are preparing. That's one I wrote, sir. Nothing here. They're not like that. Inert electrodes. Actually, the type of cells is there in arrangement, that is we are going to be. Sometimes salt bridge is there. Some cases diaphragm is there instead of salt bridge. But you have to separate cation and anode 100%, sir. Cationic electrodes means whatever reaction takes place, anode and cathode, both you have to separate. You should not mix each other. We should not mix each other. Even inert electrode, active electrodes also solve bridge required. Right, sir. First one you can write. If you note it down, that's easy for us. We can save time. But I'm writing means it will take time. That's up to you. Right. To complete the electrical circuit, right? At least we can write main points 1 or 2. To complete the electrical circuit, by flow of electrons in the outer circuit and by flow of ions from one solution to the other. I will explain every point. You don't worry, sir. Just note down. Try to connect by reading. If you are not getting any, I'm going to be explain. Without mixing of the two solutions. I will explain each point. Both the anodic and cathodic compartment. Okay, note down. Read it. So now we can see, we can read today NCERT book. What we are telling here all the zinc is loose of electrons, sir. Zinc is converted into Zn2 plus. This is the zinc rod. So zinc that convert into Zn2 plus 2 electrons. That releasing electrons moving, sir. All these electrons moving like this. Here copper is requiring electrons. Cu2 plus 2 electrons convert into Cu. So which is the content copper that going to deposit here. So when your copper is going here, only here CuSO4 solution is what they present in the solution, only sulfate ions. Here all the zinc is converted into Zn2 plus. Here ZnSO4 is there, but Zn2 plus is coming more and more. So more Zn2 plus present here and more sulfate ions here present here. But I need to neutralize both. Here sulfate should not be get more negative charge, positive charge, sir. There should be equal amount of cations and anions. There should be equal amount of cations and anions. Clear? To maintain equality, which is they contain K plus ions and Cl minus ions, Cl minus will go, here K plus will come, here Cl minus will go, opposite direction they can move. Okay, today you can read and come your NCERT book. Tomorrow we'll continue this one, then we can find out. Okay. Alright, today read and come NCERT and write your error notebook also properly. Be ready for next, whatever you have doubts you can discuss, and all again you can analyze yourself. Thank you very much. Karthi,